Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button already. Today I will be showing y'all how I crimped this wig. I already bleached the knots and plucked her, so I have a whole tutorial on that too also if you want to see it. Leave me some comments below. First I'll be hot combing her. I'll do this a lot during the video probably. I like to make sure that the root area is nice and straight and flat. She Is Bomb, that is my go-to. I love She Is Bomb brand. I use a lot of her stuff. So stay tuned. I'm just going over again with my hot comb probably to get the roots nice and straight. And right now I'm about to do some baby hairs. I'm not the best at baby hairs, but I'm learning. So I've gotten a lot better. You don't want to cut them too long, like kind of have them kind of short. I have learned that. And I don't like to cut them real straight either. And you just want to take out like the very thin layer in the front. That's all I'm taking out right now is a thin front layer. And I use Composure. I do use Nairobi too, but I like Composure. I like Composure better than, it works for me. A lot of people like Nairobi, but it works for me. I like it. It's a lot thicker than Nairobi. And once again, this is mine. I'm using She Is Bomb Edge Gel. I love it. It goes on clear, and it doesn't flake up and leave it white or anything. It's easy to work with. But you'll see, if I do my baby hairs, I will do them with, I will use, sometimes I might use Gorilla Snot. This is not as strong as Gorilla Snot, but it's not as messy. And so I do like it a little better. But if I can't get them to lay, I will slap some Gorilla Snot on top of it. No problem. But if they lay real smooth like that for me, that's all I need. A little freeze spray and we're good. But yeah, that's also She Is Bomb I'm using there to lay down my baby hairs. And right here, I just lay a little on the back of my brush, just to make sure they lay down extra good before I put my wrap on top of them. And I will wrap them just so they lay down good for me. Because when I install this wig, I don't like to do a lot of baby hair maintenance. So even if I have to do them over, they'll be somewhat in place for me. Drying with that blow dryer for a little while. Yeah. You can go on to the next step. And I'm just doing some extra plucking around my baby hairs so they'll look like real natural and stuff. You'll see me do this so they can look natural as possible. And trust me, I have gotten better at these baby hairs. They have not always been looking all nice and neat. Going in with my hot comb again, because like I told you, I like for it to be nice and flat, and if I think it's not, I will keep going in with it. It is sheet oil. I don't know why I didn't show that part. I don't know what I was thinking, but I did put some sheet oil on it. That is Fantasia in the pink bottle. I swear by it. I don't normally do any hairstyles without Fantasia in the pink. I love her and my Pump It Up. I finished with Pump It Up, but I always curl with my Fantasia in the pink bottle. Not the blue, but the pink. And as I'm doing my crimps, I am brick layering them. That is the only way that I crimp hair. I do not do crimps stacked on top of each other. I think that is ugly, but I mean, to each his own. But I always brick layer. And as you can see right now, I'm showing you in depth is what I mean is brick layering. Well, they are crimps in between crimps. Each layer is in between the other layer. And I am a Marcel type of girl. I told y'all that before. So I do love my Marcels. This is some makeup. I'm going to clean up her part. Just putting a little concealer in there. And yeah, spraying it with my black spray. And she is finished. She is gorgeous.